Trimming and splitting video clips.
Open Inshot.
Pick your footage.
Remove the Inshot watermark.
Use the free remove button by watching an ad.
Tap on the footage and drag to adjust time frame. Use the split option to cut your footage. Long press on the footage. Drag each footage to your desired position.
And that's how to trim and split your footage. See you in the next class.